Hello everyone, I am Gizella and I will explain how to do inverse matrix. So, first of all, what is inverse matrix? Inverse matrix is one of the matrix properties. It is obtained by dividing the adjoint of the given matrix by the determinant of the given matrix. For example, find the inverse of matrix D. And here you can see matrix D, and I have put the main formula so it's easy for you to find the inverse of it. So first thing you will do is you will have to find the determinant of the matrix D, which means since there is 3 rows and 3 columns, you have to add the first row and the second column on the right side of the matrix, so you can find the main diagonals and the secondary diagonal. So in here there is 2 lines, as you can see. There is an orange line and a blue line. So the orange line means that numbers I was covering with this orange line means these are the main diagonal, and the numbers that I'm covering with the blue lines are the secondary diagonal. Now what you will do here is you will sum up all the main diagonal and the secondary diagonal so you can subtract it. So as you can see here, the first main diagonal is 2 because 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. The second main diagonal is 24 because 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 is 24. And the third main diagonal is 6 because 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 6. The first secondary diagonal is a 9 because 3 multiplied by 1 and multiplied by 3 is 9. The secondary diagonal is 4 because 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. And the last secondary diagonal is 8 because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then after finding out the main diagonal and the secondary diagonal, you have to subtract the secondary diagonal with the main diagonal. In here, the main diagonal is 32 and the secondary diagonal is 21. So, you have to subtract 32 with 21, and the finished result is 11. Moving on to the second step. In here, you will have to find the adjoint. In order to find the adjoint, you have to find the M1.1, M1.2, M1.3, M2.1, M2.2, M2.3, M3.1, M3.2, and M3.3. So, how do you find the M? In here, you can see that there is 2 numbers beside the letter M. These 2 numbers represent the row and column. The first number after the M represents the row, and the second number represents the column. So, if it's written M1.1, you have to cover the first row and the first column. After covering it, you're gonna see 4 numbers, and you're going to find the determinant of those 4 numbers. Another example, if it's M2.3, you're going to cover the second row and the third column. And then you're going to also see 4 numbers. You have to find the determinant of those 4 numbers. And you have to continue this step for the other M's until you find all the determinants. After finding all the determinants, you will get the results. Here's the results that I counted. After you get the result, you have to advert it into matrix structure, like this in the example that I put. And then you will have to multiply it with another formula, which is this formula. After multiplying it with this formula, you're going to find the transpose of this matrix. After getting the transpose, you can put it in the formula that I've given you, the very first formula, and you will take the determinant that you already count before and put it in the formula too. After that, you will get this. And then you have to count it normally. So, for example, you can see here that there is negative 2. So here you have to multiply the negative 2 by 1 and then divide it by 11, which will give you negative 2 per 11. You have to continue these steps for every numbers in the matrix, and that is going to be your finished result. This is all for my explanation. Thank you for listening.